Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Abigail Opiah and we are at the Tech Capital's InfraAI Summit in Athens, Riviera. I'm currently joined by Yanna Andronopoulou, GM from Microsoft. Thank you so much, Yanna, for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
It's been, the sessions, everything. Tell me how you found it.
It was very, very interesting, a very engaging audience, questions to the point, focusing on how to judge the best place to invest in AI and also what are the benefits, the importance of community projects, and most importantly, the talent.
What was one of the messages, the key take-homes that you wanted from your panel session? I saw engaging audience, I saw people, writing things down. Tell me what was one thing that you wanted to get across?
I think the most important is to really invest in innovation, business-led innovation. So upskill your talent, know your industry, know your business, and really make the most out of technology with enabling people.
And Microsoft is a big deal. Everybody wants to know what Microsoft is doing. You're literally leading the market. Tell me some of the trends that you have actually noticed, found interesting, and you're pursuing, I guess, as a company.
I see two main pillars. Number one, which is foundational, is the importance of cybersecurity. So the importance for all the layers of an ecosystem to invest and have the proper resources, because this is the foundation of everything. And then the second layer is how to leverage AI. AI is changing the way we work, the way we live. So it's very, very important to engage soon enough. Most of the large enterprises are doing so. It needs more effort on the SMB layer. Understand the business potential and see how you can leverage technology to create a better future for your own organization, but also for all, as AI can also help humanity address some of the biggest challenges that we face, like climate change, health issues, and many other.
And how realistic do you think it would be to, navigate these challenges? Do you think that we can come, as an industry, we can come out on the other side and, achieve everything you've just said?
For sure, as an industry, we have many responsibilities on this. Number one, on how we empower others to leverage technologies to address those either business challenges or humanity challenges, but also we have a responsibility ourselves to really operate in a sustainable way, and that's what we do in Microsoft when we operate our data centers, and we have specific sustainability commitments we are after.
Nice. I think we should shift the conversation a bit to women in tech. I know it's always interesting having these panel sessions, or you go to a conference and we're always the lesser in the crowd. Tell me what Microsoft specifically is doing, and tell me in general what you think needs to happen for the shift to could the shift be a 50-50 change, where we come to a conference like this and there's 50% men and 50% women? What do you think?
This is a topic that is very close to my heart. It's very important. The good news for women is that AI is something completely new. So we start all from the same, starting point. And we really need to accelerate. Still, even if it's something new, I see a kind of gap on the female professionals in AI. If you see, it's still below 30% of the total workforce. So what we do as Microsoft is we are focusing a lot in attracting female talent in AI. We do some dedicating skilling sessions, and now we have launched a program, AI Skills for Women, that we run across many countries, all the countries in EMEA, actually. And we see a good progress. More is needed. Also, help from the governments to include STEM technologies and attract female talent from the young ages in order to be more engaged in the technology. And this is very important, especially now in the era of AI, because you need diverse teams to have representative data of all genders and to take care and leverage technology for the best, including all segments of the population.
Yeah, I think a lot of AI bias is a hot topic, and trying to figure out how to navigate that is definitely having different inputs. I think off the back of that, do you think that other companies and leaders in the space should implement the same kind of route that Microsoft has taken in order to get it from the ground up? Because obviously it's easier said than done to just say, let's have a STEM program. Not everybody can do that. Not everybody has the resources to do so. So what other advice would you give, I guess, to other companies who also want to try and navigate this imbalance and try and make it right?
It's first of all, it's much easier than in the past because right now there are a lot of free skilling programs. So what we run is completely free, and there are more organizations that are launching, those upskilling programs. That's number one. The number two is really to create within the companies and within the countries a learning culture. It's very important to understand that the life has changed, and now we are all learners, and we have to keep learning. Myself, I'm getting trained, every week with new things because the pace of change is so fast that you really need to have this culture in order to thrive. Also with cloud, because AI needs cloud technologies, the investment needed is much less than in the past to engage with those technologies. So there are much more opportunities out there than in the past for all countries.
What are your thoughts on the event overall, and will you be back if we come again in Greece next year?
I want to congratulate you. It was a great event, a great audience, and I think it was a very holistic approach on how AI investments, starting from infrastructure and scaling up to the community and to the countries, really make the difference for a better future for all.
Thank you so much, Yanna, for having a chat with me. And for you at home, thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our latest news on our website at the Tech Capital. You lead, we report. Bye for now.